Hi, welcome back to another one of my videos, and here I'm back in my little office again doing videos for you guys. And today I want to talk about a little mask that has been around for a while, since June. It's made by this Japanese company, Uniqlo, and apparently as of now it's only available in Japan. And yes, I'll be talking about this product that I just picked up recently, are the Airism a face mask by Uniqlo. And Uniqlo is a Japanese clothing company that makes a really beautiful, simple and functional like everyday clothes clothing company for for the regular folks. They're not expensive. They're like really very affordable, and I love their products. A lot of my wardrobe consists of like 70% of Uniqlo stuff, because they're not expensive. They're just not expensive, and they're really simple and good to look at, and they're functional. And one of their products in the lineup that's really popular in Japan is the Airism, or like Airism or something. Airism line of products in Japan here. I do believe they need the other Uniqlos outside Japan. They do have the Airism products as well that caters to both children, men, and women. And basically, it's this very thin layer of fabric, technical fabric that is non-woven, that allows the wicking of the sweat from your skin, as well as it's breathable, so it's very thin, and it has this like really silky touch to it. So when you wear like an Airism t-shirt, or like a shirt, or anything made of Airism during summer, it gives you a rather cooling sensation. So that's one of the material that Uniqlo uses for their summer series. And then based on what I found out online, Uniqlo didn't want to go into the making of the mask business, because they didn't know about anything about making masks. But due to a lot of customers, a lot of people requesting for them to make masks, they decided to make a mask. And turned out that the masks that they make became a huge hit. And it was launched in like sometime in June 18 or something in Japan. People queued up like 3-4 hours, like 300 people in Tokyo to queue up for these masks. And apparently they come in a small, medium, large, and every pack, it costs about 990 yen plus tax, about like $10 odd for 3 masks. And these masks are reusable. You can wash them online. It says that on the Uniqlo website and on some other sites, it says that you can wash these masks up to 3 times and they will still not lose their effectiveness. And apparently this mask, why are they so sought after? They're made of it's a 3-ply mask made of 3 different materials. The inner material that touches your face, which is their technical non-woven Airism fabric, which it's supposed to be cooling, and it wicks the sweat from your face. And the middle layer, which is like a filter layer that filters up to 99% pollens and a BFE. It's a standard for filtering out bacteria. And the third layer, the outside layer, it's actually a UV like a blocking material. So you need to keep out the UV light and whatnot. But the main material that is protecting you in this mask is the middle filter layer, and 3 pieces sandwiched together. And apparently it's just so sought after. There's so much hype about it. And within my area, I mean, I don't live in Tokyo. I was looking around Uniqlo. Most of the time it's being sold out. And sometime last week I picked up one of these, and now apparently everyone can buy 2 per person. And there are still people queuing up like Uniqlo in my area, in the morning. So yeah, I got lucky. I bought just one in L size to do a review, and probably to show you guys how it looks like, and give you my thoughts on what it is. Uniqlo currently has plans to introduce these masks outside the Japanese market to international markets as well, but in the meantime it's only available in Japan until Uniqlo decides to get them out of Japan. So yep, it's just a very simple packaged, and you open it up, and there we have it. Let's get one of these masks out. There are 3 inside. Yep, there are 2 more inside. Okay, let's just get one out. Straight out of the packaging, the inner material, the Airism material. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it feels very soft. Has this very silky, nice texture like all the Airism products, and it is being sewn, tapered in the middle here, like the mystery ranch mask and like all the mask. And because you know, even though now we do have paper masks that you can get it like in a lot of places, a lot of drugstore, mask has become like a necessity that every one of us will need to wear a mask when we're out there. And a reusable mask like the cloth masks like these that you can wash and reuse them seems to be very popular, and there are a lot of companies making these masks. So yeah, let's just try it on. This is in size L, and put it out on my face. Okay, this is in size L. Okay, there you go. That's how it looks like. First initial impressions. They do not have a bendable wire on the nose here, and they do not fit your face like super snugly. It just covers your face loosely, like, yeah. And then when you breathe, you know, through them, they move in and out. And like what initially folks were talking about this mask online, it definitely feels a lot very comfortable when the Airism material touches your face, but because it's made of 3 different layers, it kind of feels a little bit thick. And after wearing it for, like, you know, a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes now, yeah, it does. You can definitely breathe through the mask, but it does feel like thick. And these masks were not like really made for summer in Japan. And initial impressions, past the initial impression after wearing it for like a couple of minutes, I would say it doesn't offer like the best protection on your face, because it doesn't fit your face snugly. Maybe my face is in a weird shape or something, but it's not a universal mask that fits everyone's face. At the bottom here, it's loose. When you breathe out, you can feel the exhalation coming through the bottom here. And then on the top, because there's no wiring to trap the nose bridged, you get gaps here where, you know, air would just get inside here. And overall, it's not a tight fitting mask. It is very loosely fitted on your face. And because I'm an adult male, I got a size L, which is recommended for adult male. It's slightly a little bit on the big side. As in, the mask fits my face, but it doesn't fit it snugly. So if you get an M size, it might be able to fit my face a little bit better. But you know, coverage wise, yeah, definitely L size is gonna cover your entire face. So it's just not bad for a pack of 3. They cost about $10. But if you want a better protection, I would not recommend this mask. See, can you see your mask? You can you can see it move. You know, when I move my face and mouth like that, the mask moved down by itself. So that is not good. Yeah, these masks are like super overly hype. I wouldn't recommend them, seriously. I just wouldn't recommend them for even for the price of like 990 yen, like $10. I wouldn't recommend them. I will just keep this in my bag just in case my mask fail, and I probably will use this with my glasses attached to my nose so that I can keep this part hold down to my face. And I do believe when I do that, my glasses are gonna fall. I will only wear this mask if I need to wash my mystery ranch mask. In the meantime, as of now, doing this review, my mystery ranch mask is the go-to mask. It's like probably the best mask you can get now, other than the 3M respirators. Cloth mask, as far as cloth mask goes, I'm sticking with my mystery ranch mask. They are so good. As for this mystery ranch, no. As for this Uniqlo Airism Mask, if you can get them, yeah, they're cheap, so you can go get them and use them. But I would not recommend them. They offer like protection, but not the full protection. So maybe I might have to find a way to get them fit to my face a little better. But in the meantime, yeah, they do feel really comfortable. When the Airism fabric touches your face, then I don't have any problem breathing in and out. And maybe now it's raining, so it's a little bit cooler in my house. But I'm sure out there, when it's hot and humid, this mask is gonna have slight problem, like all the masks that is that's thick and traps a lot of moisture inside. So yeah, basically this is my just very short review of an unboxing of the Airism mask 3-piece from Uniqlo. If I have to rate it on a scale of 5, I'll probably give it like a 3. 1 point being deducted because it doesn't really cover your face snugly, and less of 1 point because it doesn't have anything to hold it to your nose bridge. So yeah, basically that's it, and that's it. It only comes in white, no other colors is available. You are better off using some other mask or like a paper mask than to get one of these masks. So no, I would not recommend it. The hype is just overrated. If you understand English, or if you're in Japan, stay away from this mask. It's not worth the kill. For a few hours, it's not worth the hype. If you happen to be in a Uniqlo store, around a Uniqlo store, and you happen to go in where there's no queue, you have a chance to pick one of these up, yeah, you can pick that up, but just overly hype. That's my honest opinion. And I'm like, what, 12 minutes? Okay, just we're gonna make this video short. In the meantime, yeah, Kodak. I love Kodak products. When I do my own unofficial photography, I try to use Kodak films because I like films, and film photos are just amazing. And I like old school, analog stuff that's dirty and gritty, that people don't want to practice art like that anymore. So yeah, but for official assignments, yeah, maybe still a digital camera till people can get their photos faster, But yeah, Kodak. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do, and I need all the support I can. And apparently YouTube, a lot of people are playing Ghost of Tsushima now, and I don't have a PlayStation 4 to play it. I wanted to get a used PlayStation 4 to play Ghost of Tsushima because that is one of the games that I have really anticipated for a long time, but I just held back because PlayStation 5 is just around the corner. So I probably play that game, Ghost of Tsushima, after I get my PlayStation 5. So in the meantime, yeah, check out the videos online on that game. It's an amazing game, most anticipated game of this year, and most anticipated samurai game ever. Okay, thanks for checking out my videos. I'll see you guys in our future videos. Take care, and I'll see ya. Bye. Hey, and so it's an update after using the Uniqlo mask, Airism mask, for like a couple of weeks now. I have to say, sorry about that. You can't really fault the company that has no experience in making masks. I mean, after all, they're a clothing company. They don't really make masks, and this is like one of their probably their first attempt in making masks, to do their part for the community. And in my previous in the previous video, I was talking, I was literally giving my first-hand impression of this mask, how it's not so good. But that was just straight out of the box. I haven't used it in the field, but having been using this mask for about 3 weeks now, I can tell you it is very comfortable. It is very easy to use. You just put it on like that, no hassles, nothing, and then you talk normally. You don't do your crazy mouth movement and everything. It is a very well-made mask. I wouldn't say it is a very well-made mask. I would say it is a sorry, something's wrong with my throat today. I would say it is a very good mask. Fitting wise, I got large, which is you know, recommended for adult. Large is the largest size. It tends to be a little bit loose on my face. I haven't tried M, you know, because I don't really have M size. I think I gave my family the M size or something. So you know, I didn't really try the M size. They come in 3 sizes: large, medium, and small. Medium is like for ladies. Large is for like the regular gentleman, and S is like for children. So yeah, you know, in my previous videos, talking about the, you know, the not so good, the negative aspects of this mask. But having used these in a few, almost 3 weeks now, I can tell you, they are really comfortable, really easy to use. As to whether they are being very well made, it depends. You know, it depends. I would say it's well made. There are no loose threads and everything, but I would still not be an advocate and tell everyone that this is a fantastically made mask. It's just a regular like cloth mask which have different layers inside. I washed it like once or twice, I can remember. I hand washed the mask because I don't want to throw it in the washing machine, you know, and damage and whatnot. So I just wash it in like regular detergent with warm water, you know, and rinse it dry. So yeah, if you get a chance to get one of these Airism Uniqlo mask, go grab it. It's like 990 yen a pack for a pack of 3, and I think everyone is allowed to only grab 2 packets, so you can like 6 pieces of this mask to, you know, regulate to your entire week and wash, you know, and rotate in and out. But yeah, awesome mask. Previous video, take it with a pinch of salt because you know, I did an unboxing, didn't really use it in the field, but having used this in the field, yes, get these masks, so comfortable. Of course, you know, rotate within these and the other mask that you might have, you know. And I recently saw you know, the Tat Gear came out with their Shadow RS mask, but you know, the design looks pretty neat, but the price is just too expensive. I was, you know, initially thinking of getting one to do a review for you guys, but you know, at like almost 40 over $50 for a mask, you know, and it's a cloth mask, you know, so it's just a little bit too expensive. So I decided to not do that review video. In case, you know, if any one of you guys want to send me, you know, if Tat Gear you're watching and I love your stuff, but the mask is just a little bit over my budget. Not gonna spend like $50 on a mask. 3M mask, a half mask respirator is only like I don't know, $20 with the filter is less than $50, but your cloth mask is $50. It's just too expensive. But you know, if anyone wants to sponsor me a Shadow RS mask for review, I will be, you know, up for it. You know, in the meantime, take care and mask up. Stay safe out there. You know, coronavirus is not beaten yet. It's still out there lingering somewhere, waiting to get you in the shadows. So take care, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Bye.